Gonorrhea is a typical STD, particularly among teenagers and individuals in their 20s. In some cases called the applaud or the dribble. Gonorrhea may not show side effects. Left untreated, it can cause fruitlessness or infertility, and agony in both ladies and men. Once analyzed, it is effectively restored with antimicrobials. Snap on the inquiry underneath to become familiar with gonorrhea. How would you get gonorrhea? What are the indications of gonorrhea? What's engaged with gonorrhea testing? How would you treat gonorrhea? What occurs if gonorrhea isn't dealt with? How would you get gonorrhea? Gonorrhea is a bacterial disease generally sent during vaginal, butt-centric, or oral sex. It is spread when semen, cum, pre-cum, or vaginal liquids get on or inside the private parts, rear end, or mouth. Gonorrhea can be passed regardless of whether the penis doesn't go right in the vagina or butt. Gonorrhea can likewise be passed to a child during birth if the mother has it and isn't dealt with. At the point when utilized reliably and effectively, condoms secure against gonorrhea and numerous different STDs. What are the indications of gonorrhea? Like most STDs, gonorrhea regularly doesn't show any indications, or the signs might be so gentle you don't see them. The best way to know is to be tested. At the point when manifestations do show up, it is as a rule inside 7 days of contamination and may include agony or copying when peeing, unusual release from the vagina or penis, and tormentor expanding in the gonads. Gonorrhea can likewise contaminate the butt contingent upon that you have butt-centric sex or may spread to the rear end from another piece of the body, like by cleaning subsequent to utilizing the restroom. Butt-centric gonorrhea frequently doesn't have any side effects, however signs can remember tingling for or around the rear end, release from the rear end, or agony while crapping. What's engaged with gonorrhea testing? There are various tests for gonorrhea. It tends to be pretty much as basic and simple as peeing in a cup. Some medical services suppliers may utilize a swab, like a major Q-tip, to take cell tests from the penis, cervix, urethra, butt, or throat. The examples are tried for gonorrhea microorganisms. To discover free and easy STD testing close to you, go to greaterthan.org/administrations. How would you treat gonorrhea? Gonorrhea can be effortlessly restored with anti-infection agents endorsed by a medical services supplier. It is imperative to finish the full treatment, as recommended by your medical services supplier, regardless of whether side effects disappear sooner. The contamination stays in your body until you finish the antimicrobials. Likewise, don't impart your medication to anybody or take somebody else's. Some medical care suppliers may give a different portion of antimicrobials for your partners so you don't re-taint one another or any other person. Try not to engage in sexual relations until you have completed treatment. Get tried again in 3 to 4 months to ensure the contamination is gone and you are not re-uncovered. What occurs if gonorrhea isn't dealt with? Untreated gonorrhea can cause pelvic fiery illness, PID, in ladies. Ladies with PID may not understand they have it, yet left untreated it can cause agony, fruitlessness, or ectopic pregnancy. Pregnant ladies with untreated gonorrhea can pass it to their infants during labor. It can cause visual deficiency, joint diseases, or blood contaminations in infants, which can be dangerous. In men, untreated gonorrhea can spread to the epididymis, a cylinder that conveys sperm from the gonads, and can cause torment in the balls. Seldom, can cause barrenness. The data on this page is adjusted from the CDC and Planned Parenthood. Getting tested HIV and other STD testing are accessible probably specialists' workplaces and well-being facilities. Numerous well-being divisions additionally offer to test. It's quick, simple, and a great many people pay close to nothing or nothing. Enter Zip Blue and White 5 Things to Know About STDs. Realistic. Did you know STDs, or explicitly sent infections, are normal and regularly show no indications? The uplifting news is all STDs are treatable and many are reparable. Watch this short vivified video to discover more. We should talk about condoms. Written in white in a light blue discourse. Bubble condoms are a minimal effort, simple to get, and exceptionally viable counteraction choice. At the point when utilized accurately and reliably, condoms secure against HIV, just as numerous different STDs and pregnancy. Remaining healthy. HIV and coronavirus during COVID-19. Keeping a solid safe framework is a higher priority than any time in recent memory for individuals with constant conditions, including HIV. Discover more about staying healthy with HIV during COVID-19, including answers to regularly posed inquiries. On the off chance that you don't have protection or need monetary help, there are programs that can help give HIV clinical consideration and meds. Remember to subscribe, like, share,